So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single update we'll be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend on our EURGBP. So we all know first and first, before we take a trade, we need to know what the trend is. But first, we actually did analysis last week, right, on EURGBP, and I told you clearly that EURGBP will give us a bearish move for the week, and this is exactly what EURGBP did give us. It gave us the bearish move. You can see that our analysis was absolutely correct. You can see that we are absolutely correct, right, on our analysis. This is one of the reasons why, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, and also make sure you make your comments so that once we drop more further good updates, you will not miss out on the updates. Now back to our analysis on EURGBP. So guess what we are going to be expecting for the week also? We will be expecting EURGBP to also give us a bearish move for the week. How are we going to be anticipating for that movement is what we are going to be analyzing right now. Now take a look at the trend right here. You all know first and foremost, before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is. Now on this EURGBP, we are in a downtrend move. Now this is our first low on EURGBP. Now here comes the lower high. EURGBP was able to give us some more drop to form a new lower low, which took out this previous low right here. Now here comes what? The lower high. Now the market has given us a lower high, what should we be expecting next on EURGBP? Of course, we should be expecting another drop that will form a new lower low. So that new lower low should take out this previous low, which is currently at an equal low right here. So guess what we'll be expecting, right? We will be expecting a further sell to the downside on EURGBP that will completely take out this low. This is one of the reasons why I said a bearish move is what we are going to be expecting for the week on EURGBP. So EURGBP should give us a bearish move for the week. You should actually open and close bearish for the week. Right, so whatever you're going to be doing, you should be anticipating for a sell EURGBP. Now let's go down to our daily time frame, guys. You can clearly see it also right here. So this is the impulsive move, right, which is on your weekly time frame. You can see it. Here comes the corrective phase. Remember, within this impulsive move, there is a series of lower low and a lower high that played out on daily time frame. And this corrective phase, it is also a series of higher high and higher low that played out, especially when you go to your daily time frame and 4-hour time frame. Now let's go to our daily time frame. So this is it right here. Now this is also the impulsive move, which is a series of lower low and a lower high. You can see it right. Now here comes the corrective phase, and this is a series of higher high and higher low. Now we are currently on an impulsive move, which is at an equal low right here. So guess what markets will do? Markets will continue that movement, completely break out to this downside. So this is to tell you that a bearish move is what we would expect for the week on EURGBP. Now back to our analysis on EURGBP. So this is our low. Here is the lower high. This is what? The lower low. And here comes the lower high. Now that we've got to this lower high, our next movement on EURGBP will be another drop that will form a new lower low. So that new lower low should continue to drop. So it is able to take out this previous low, thereby giving us a new lower low. So guys, a bearish move for the week is what we are going to be expecting on EURGBP. Now, could there be changes to this movement? Absolutely yes. There's a possibility that there will be changes. But if in case there's going to be any change, I'll make sure I give you guys the updates. Remember, your bias should always be flexible, not rigid. Always be flexible. In case market does not move exactly what we said we should move, we are going to give you guys the updates and you will easily change your bias. But for now, market is still pointing to the downside. It's a bearish move. So we should be anticipating for a bearish move for the week. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe and follow the Telegram. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.